Top 7 Best Drone Under $1,000 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. WALKERA F210 3D Drone. In the world of racing drones, the WALKERA F210 3D is one of the best drones you will find on the market. It features a night and day vision camera, rugged construction, simple customizations, and many innovative features. WALKERA has done a great job to protect the basic components in the event of a fall, and the parts are easy to replace. The big plus of this F210 drone is that you can change the flight characteristics directly by adjusting the flight controller to your specifications. The F210 3D is lightweight and agile, especially when performing demanding maneuvers. There's no guarantee that you will win races with the WALKERA F210 3D, but in any case, you will have a high-performance machine at your disposal. Price: $449, $349 with discounts. Number 6. Parrot Bebop 2. Parrot Bebop 2 is an excellent drone capable of shooting in full HD and controllable up to 164 yards. The Parrot brand is one of the favorite drone manufacturers for beginners. With the unit's power pack and FPV glasses, you can capture quality aerial shots in full HD thanks to the fisheye sensor and the stabilization software. The drone is smart, and there are plenty of flying modes to capture footage from different angles. The modes include Follow Me, Point of Interest, Return to Home, and more. This is a reliable drone that has proven itself. The Bebop 2 is produced by the French company Parrot, which is known for smart and innovative designs. This drone is perfect for people who want to capture good quality videos without spending a fortune. The FPV glasses are more convenient and portable. They offer several benefits, including greater comfort. Compared to other FPV accessories, the glasses are the most comfortable to use. For those who have eyesight issues, correction lenses for the model can be ordered on the internet. Number 5. Parrot Anafi. The Parrot Anafi drone immortalizes every moment in high resolution thanks to a vertically tilting camera that is ideal for low-angle shots. 3-axis image stabilization delivers smooth, crisp images. Its exterior, which is made of carbon fiber, is more than attractive. This does not affect the weight and the unit's overall appearance because the Parrot Anafi remains compact and lightweight. In addition, it has a digital zoom that counteracts losses better than other models. This drone captures spectacular images, 4K video, Full HD or 2.7K, 2700 zone 1120 and 21MP photos. The camera boasts wide-angle f/2.4 ASF lens and digital zoom up to 2.8 times without loss of quality. In addition, you have a burst mode that captures 10 photos per second, a timer, and assistance to handle the professional settings. The Parrot Anafi drone has 25 minutes of filming flight time thanks to a smart LiPo battery that maximizes battery life and recharges up to 60% faster with the compatible USB. The unit comes with the integrated geo-barrier technology that allows it to detect and avoid obstacles. Its smart functions are designed to enable the device to return to its starting point in the event that the battery discharges or if the connection is lost. The drone produces a sound signal or engages in automatic geolocation if you lose sight thanks to the application Find My Drone. Number 4. DJI Spark. The DJI Spark strikes the right balance between affordability, compactness, and automated features. While it's small, the Spark comes equipped with all the latest drone technology, which includes obstacle detection, stabilization, and GPS. DJI Spark comes in different colors: sky blue, alpine white, lava red, meadow green, and sunrise yellow. The Spark has an angular body, and the propellers can be folded to make it smaller than it already is. The rotor blades lock into flight posture once they begin spinning. Unlike other drones, the DJI Spark has stubbly feet instead of extended landing gear. This keeps the drone size small and also helps with holding it comfortably. Despite being a small drone, the Spark's body is quite solid and dense. The limbs too feel quite sturdy due to the heavy ribbing, with the drone's body exhibiting almost zero visible seams. It's apparent the Spark's fuselage is primarily molded using one solid plastic piece. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air. The DJI Mavic Air is an easy-to-use, portable drone that is simple enough for beginners to fly and exciting enough to keep the pros entertained. The camera is one of the highlights of this drone. From movement track shots to swooping videos, to excellent panoramas. The camera truly offers myriad options, and enhancing the experience are 4K video recording, gesture controls, and a steady gimbal. This light and compact drone comes with location scanning cameras too. There are 6 of them, a couple each on the front, bottom, and rear. Weighing in at 430, the drone folds down easily when you flip the propeller shafts. The controller is compact too, and can easily fit into your pocket when folded down. As far as flight controls go, the drone is quite accurate and can follow hand swipes. It mimics movements even when it's quite far away. This feature isn't a gimmick and comes in quite handy when you don't want to use the controller to capture photos and videos. Number 2. DJI Phantom 3. The DJI Phantom 3 is an easy-to-operate, high-end drone that even beginner drone flyers can use. You can start capturing professional-grade pictures and videos with this quadcopter right away. The camera is straddled on a 3-axis stabilizing gimbal mechanism that compensates for slight drone movements and smooths out rotor-caused vibrations. The twin camera helps capture quality pictures, particularly in low-light scenarios. The 94-degree field of view provides you minimal overall barrel distortion. Also, there are multiple frame rates and resolutions. The camera restricts you to 30 when shooting 4K, but goes up to 60 when shooting 720 type footage. On a charge, the Phantom 3 can fly anywhere between 20 to 25 minutes with moderate camera usage. Use the camera constantly, and the flight period would reduce. The drone offers solid accelerations and deceleration that help avoid potential obstacles. Also, it corrects for wind, meaning it can manage slight winds. Number 1. DJI Mavic Pro. Before the Mavic Air and Spark, the DJI Mavic Pro was the go-to small quadcopter with a camera for DJI fans. The Mavic Pro is impressively portable. Weighing only 743, the drone can be folded down and can be easily carried even in small bags. In fact, it is 1/6 of its actual size when folded. But do not let the diminutive size fool you, for the quadcopter is solidly built. The battery delivers flight time of approximately 25 minutes per charge. Moreover, the top speed is 40. The 3-axis gimbal comes with a 12MP camera, and there is also a remote control that functions in tandem with an Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. There are 4 more cameras that help with safety and in-flight stability. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best drone under $1,000 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.